Chapter 7 is what I call a straight bankruptcy or a liquidation bankruptcy. Chapter 13 you can think of as a sort of a repayment plan. Now, people with higher incomes won't qualify for a Chapter 7 because the court will deem that they have the means to repay some of their debt. So for some people, Chapter 13 will be their only realistic option to file under the bankruptcy code. In Chapter 13, the amount of your repayment plan is determined by your resources, your income, and your expenses. And so the theory behind a Chapter 13 is that your payments are what you can afford to pay. It's an affordability standard. Chapter 7, in contrast, is used by people who don't have the means to repay any of their debt. There is no repayment plan. A typical Chapter 7 case lasts 3 to 4 months. All of the debt is wiped out. And in certain circumstances where somebody has a lot of property, more property than we can protect under the 2 exemption menus, you may have some liquidation issues. By far, the vast majority of cases that we handle, however, there is no liquidation, and we're able to protect all of our clients' property, including retirement loans, including vehicles, including bank accounts, including retirement accounts, including vehicles, including equity in house, including bank accounts, including household property, your clothing, your furniture, etc. So there are pretty big differences between a Chapter 7 and a Chapter 13. In some situations, people will choose a Chapter 13 even though they qualify for a Chapter 7, primarily where there is a second mortgage or a home equity line on your primary residence or even investment property, and you want to strip that second mortgage off because the house or property is so far underwater that there's no equity to cover any part of that junior lien.